This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, January 9th. I'm Ethan Harrell. The athletics schedule got back into full swing on Tuesday with positive results. The boys basketball team claimed a 54-41 victory over War Hill. The Scholastic Bowl team also claimed victories against Lake Taylor and Norcom. On Wednesday, the indoor track team were in action in the first Eastern District meet. The boys finished third, while the girls claimed a 1-point victory over Church. Ian Lightbourne won the 55-meter hurdle for the boys. Heaven Hall, Lucy Sherman, Nia Sally, and Mecca High McCourt won events and girls races. In swimming, the boys and girls claimed big victories over Booker T. The Commodore's wrestling team fell to Norview, but defeated Norview in tri-meet. Aiden McAllister claimed a win over the 4th-ranked wrestler in the state in his weight class. Congratulations, Aiden. Now here's Nick Johnson in the control room with what's on the schedule.
Ethan, today the Scholastic Bowl teams battle Norview and Booker T. The first match begins at 3:15 at Norview. On Friday, the basketball teams play Booker T. The JVs play at Booker T, while the girls game at 3:30, followed by the boys at 5. Meanwhile, the varsity teams play at Maury, with the girls game at 5:30, followed by the boys at 7. On Saturday, the boys basketball teams play at Greensville County. The JVs play at 4, followed by the varsity at 6. There are plenty of opportunities to support your Commodore teams. Back to you, Ethan.
Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's all for a quick Commodore News Update. I'm Ethan Harrell, and have a great Commodore day.